I'm going to show you how to change the tail light and turn signal bulb on a 09 Impala. This is a 9C1, but they should all be the same. You'll need a flathead screwdriver. Unscrew this. This will take the plastic cover off. Mine is a little stripped. That's the way it came. Pull that aside. Then you got one nut here. Take that off. Kind of a long stud in there. Pull this back. Then you got another one here. And then one up here. So you take them off. And like I said, they're long studs. You may need a pair of pliers to loosen these, but I've already changed the bulb on here. So you got 1, 2, 3. Then you may have to tap the bulb or the socket off. And this here is your reverse light. This one here. This is your Parker. And this is your tail light, brake light, turn signal. So you undo that. You just turn it one way. Should pop right out. Now mine got hot for some reason. And then here's the bulb. So you just pull that out of the socket. You may have to wiggle it. It'll pop right out. Pop the other one in. Put it back in. And then when you go to put it back in, you got this here. It's an alignment. It goes in this hole here. So you line that up, line all the studs in, goes back in, and then you just replace all the nuts the way they were. Make sure to tighten them up because you don't want them to work loose. Now if you bought a 9C1 and you can't find your jack, I found mine back there. And then the last nut goes through the carpeting. And you put this on here, locks the carpeting in place. Now this is the driver's side, but they're both the same, driver and passenger. They both have the same nuts on them. Now pull this back into place. Put this in there. And get your flathead screwdriver. Screw it back on. Mine stripped for some reason. That's the way I got it. And you're all done. Just make sure to check them, which like I said I already did. So you got the Parker or the marker light working, and a turn signal. And it does look like I got another marker out. So it looks like I'm going back to the store and buy another bulb. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.